What are you saying? Dad, dad, dad? Dad, dad, dad. Yeah.
What I think is funny about that little man, what I think is funny about that little man is he was drinking his bottle, and then he didn't want it, so he took it out of his mouth, and he went like this, kind of coughed and spat, and like, perfect. Gotcha, Grandma.
Clearing his mouth out.
Yeah, he was. Oh, don't put the stick around baby's face, honey.